Good morning, my dear student. Today we are going to discuss your class 12th history, chapter bricks, beads and bones. I think there is no need to explain that what we are going to read. The chapter, the Indus Valley civilization. This is very clear that in this chapter we had discussed in our previous class what we had discussed in our previous class, the topic, the origin, expansion, then after origin, expansion, introduction, and then after what? The administration, or the ancient authority, my dear student, today we are going to discuss your next topic. The topic is the society, and then after we will discuss the religion. This topic is very important. Why? Today we are focusing that topic, society and the religions. As you know that the previous we had discussed the administration. If we have time in class, we will discuss society, religions, and then after script. The other important topic of this chapter, what we read, what we will discuss, that the town planning, and other, wait, okay. The other points of this chapter, what we will read, हम किनको पढ़ेंगे. इसके अलावा हम कुछ और टॉपिक्स जो इस चैप्टर के, टाउन प्लानिंग के बाद इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम, then after economic system, then after we will discuss the art and craft, then after we will discuss the decline of this civilization, and last topic of this chapter, the Cunningham confusion. And I hope we can also discuss about the dating of this civilization. हम लोगों ने इतने टॉपिक इस चैप्टर के पढ़े. मैंने एक सीधा सा आपको बताया था कि अगर इंडस को देखें इंडियन कॉन्टिनेंट्स में, तो मैंने नॉर्मली फिगर बनाया था और मैंने आपसे कहा था, व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, दैट फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान टू मांडा एंड दानाबाद टू सुतके गेंदोर, एक बड़े क्षेत्र पे आलमगीरपुर को भी ले लीजिए, आपका पूरा का पूरा शेप क्या होगा, बदलता हुआ दिखेगा. एक ऐसा एक रेक्टेंगल ट्रायंगल्स में मिलेगा. कुछ त्रिभुजाकार आकार में ही आपको इंडस दिखाई देगा। आई वॉज ऑल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट दैट देयर एरियाज। मैंने आपसे कहा था देयर एरिया वॉज 12,99,600 kilometer square. But recent study, actually you know that day by day, the research work, the excavation, it is continuously running on, जारी है। इसका भी वर्तमान में जो एक्सपेंशन है वो यहां तक पहुंच गया है। 15 लाख किलोमीटर, 15 लाख किलोमीटर स्क्वायर के एरिया पे ये फैल चुका है। तो ये विस्तार आपको जो दिख रहा है, जो चेंजेस आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं। अब लेट अस सी दैट which टॉपिक्स वी हैव रीड। हम लोगों ने कौन कौन से टॉपिक पढ़ा? वी हैव डिस्कस द इंट्रोडक्शन। In the introductory session, I told you about the history. I told you about that the starting when we came to be known as Indus Valley civilization. I told a story of the William Brenton and Charles Mason, and then after Cunningham's who reached there and उन्होंने श्वेत पत्र जारी किया, और फिर एक नई परंपरा, फिर 1904 तक आते आते ESI की स्थापना। ESI 1904 में स्थापित हुई, आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया 1904, लॉर्ड कर्जन के समय, और जॉन मार्शल इसके डायरेक्टर बनाए गए। मैंने वहां पे आपको एक बात और बताई थी, व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू दैट क्लास, that ESI and their history, that was very what up and down, कुछ समय बना, फिर ESI खत्म हुई, फिर बना, फिर खत्म हुई, और फिर इसके डायरेक्टर बने 1904। that was the fixed date, that was the milestone in the history of ESI, that it was founded one time and then after it cannot, ये बदला नहीं, ये डेट नहीं बदला फिर उसके बाद। तो इस तरीके से इन आधारों पे हम लोगों ने बात की। ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन पे मैंने कई सारे लोगों के नाम लिए थे। मैंने कहा था 1826 चार्ल्स मैसन, 1853 to 56 विलियम ब्रंटन हु वर द रेलवे इंजीनियर्स। जब वो कराची से रेलवे ट्रैक बिछा रहे थे तो उन्होंने माउंट से ईंटें निकाली, और ईंटें निकाल के उन्हें पता चला कि निकालते जा रहे थे और वो ईंटें खत्म नहीं हो रही थी। तो उन्हें लगा कि ये निश्चित रूप से कोई पुरानी सभ्यता है, और तब उन्होंने इसके लिए अलेक्जेंडर कनिंघम को इन्फॉर्म किया। कनिंघम पहुंचे, उन्होंने इसको ऑब्जर्व किया, बहुत सारे आर्टिफैक्ट्स उनको मिले, कलेक्ट किया, और फिर उस पर उन्होंने एक श्वेत पत्र जारी किया, गवर्नमेंट लेटर जारी किया 1876 के आसपास। लेकिन फिर एक लंबा अंतराल 76 के बाद 1904 ESI की स्थापना, और फिर एक लंबा अंतराल 1921-22 जब फर्स्ट प्लेस हड़प्पा 1921 और सेकेंड प्लेस मोहनजोदड़ो 1922 राखाल दास बनर्जी और दयाराम सहनी के द्वारा एक्सकवेट कराया गया मार्शल के सुपरविजन में। और तब जाके पूरी सभ्यता के बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलनी शुरू हो गई। वी हैव ऑन दैट टाइम्स व्हाट द वेरियस इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन। अभी तक जो अंग्रेज ये कह रहे थे कि हम एक गुलाम हैं, अभी तक जो अंग्रेज कह रहे थे कि हम एक क्या रूट कल्चर के हैं, हम लोग एक देहाती हैं, जंगली हैं, हमारे पास कोई संस्कृति नहीं है, सभ्यता नहीं है, अब वो अंग्रेज ये कहने लगे थे कि भारत के पास आज से 2000 साल पहले 2500 years ago that was the developed urban culture was available. That was Indus Valley civilization, where that people lived in city, They had proper road, they had proper what? The highways, their buildings multi-stories, the proper sewage system, their town planning based on the what? The grid system, and these are so on. When we will discuss the topic town planning, we will see that कि कितने कितने कैटेगराइजेशंस थे, कितने कितने पार्ट थे, कौन कौन सी महत्वपूर्ण चीज थी. फिर हमने देखा ओरिजिन पे, हम लोगों ने ओरिजिन पे बात की, और ओरिजिन पे हमने बात करते हुए कहा कि there were the various conflicts, disputes among the historians, among the archaeologists. That's what they felt. They felt that कि इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन क्या थी? एक बाहर से ली गई सभ्यता, उधार ली गई सभ्यता थी. What I want to tell you, my dear student, some foreign historians believe that the Indus Valley civilization was the colony of Mesopotamia. Why? Because the Mesopotamian, I think you have remember that when I taught you in class 11th, I taught you the excavation of Mesopotamia. Mari and Uruk, these cities were excavated in the 19th century. ईंटों का एक बड़ा आकार मिला जो बाइबल में था, फिर वहाँ के लोगों ने उसको और ज़्यादा प्रमोट किया, चर्च ने पैसे दिए, उत्खनन बड़े पैमाने पर हुआ, नगरी सभ्यता के साक्ष्य मिले. और फिर उसी के आधार पे इतिहासकारों ने कहा कि यहाँ पे एक ऐसी सभ्यता है जिसको हम क्या मान सकते हैं? पहली नगरी सभ्यता मान सकते हैं, अर्बन कल्चर मान सकते हैं. इन मेसोपोटामिया आल्सो they had their own writing scripts. In Indus Valley civilization, they had own writing script. They had lived in town. Indus Valley civilization also lived in town. They had sewage system. Indus Valley civilization also had sewage system. They uses the baked bricks. Indus Valley also used baked bricks, पकी हुई ईंटें. The rituals Mesopotamian peoples practiced, rituals also practiced by Indus Valley civilization people. On the basis of that, the historians believe that कि Mesopotamia that was colony, Indus Valley civilization that was colony of Mesopotamia. But after sometime in 21st century, a lot of studies happened, a lot of excavations happened, and the hypothesis given by Mortimer Wheeler, Gordon Childe, and this type of other foreign writers, historians, that was questioned by some other historians. उनके क्वेश्चन उठे, उन्होंने उस पर क्वेश्चन किया. No, what are you saying? That is not so good and right. Why? Because in the lackness of these evidences, in the lackness of these dissimilarities, we cannot concede that the Indus Valley civilization that would be the colony of Mesopotamia. Why? Because they pointed out the various points, various information. The Indus Valley civilization, the proper developed sewage system was available. But in Mesopotamia, that was totally unavailable. Indus Valley civilization city based on grid system, Mesopotamian city that was not. Indus Valley civilizations had their own scripts, Mesopotamian, they had their own script. If both colony, then what was need to change the script? Why they not adopted the Mesopotamian script in India? They would. They should. उन्हें करना चाहिए था, but they didn't. नहीं किया. And I think that is the prominent difference between the Mesopotamian and the Indus Valley civilizations, that temple architecture. In Mesopotamia, the temple architecture that was found. I hope you remember the structure of the wall in and out, in and out. This type of structure is totally different from the residential areas, houses. These houses, surrounding these houses, there are the various sacrifices, goods, the bone of fish, मछली के कांटे, बहुत सारी चीजें. There were the different type of tablets that was scattered. Indus Valley civilization, this type of all things were unavailable. Tablets also that was unavailable in Indus Valley civilization in Mesopotamia. They uses the tablets. If the colony, if it may be, थोड़ी देर के लिए मान लेते हैं कि अगर मेसोपोटामिया की कॉलोनी होती इंडस वैली तो टेबलेट्स इंडिया में भी यूज किया जाते, इट मीन्स इंडस वैली में भी यूज किया जाते, बट इट डिडंट, नहीं किया गया. टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर जो वहां पे बने थे वो इंडिया में भी बने होते, दैट डिडंट, नहीं किया गया. पक्की ईंटों के बने हुए घर अधिकतम संख्या में इंडस में मिले, मेसोपोटामिया में कच्ची ईंटों से बने घर मिले हैं. Yes, of course, in Indus Valley also there are two cities, Ropar and Kalibanga, where uses the mud bricks. But there were the various countries, the various cities, or various archaeological sites and their houses that was made from baked bricks, पके हुए ईंटों से बने. And if you will minutely observe about the architecture of the houses in Indus Valley civilization, their main door was not opened on the main roads. मेन रोड की तरफ दरवाजे नहीं खुले थे, वो पीछे की तरफ गलियों में खुलते थे. बट मेसोपोटामिया में दरवाजे मेन रोड की तरफ खुले हुए हैं. उनके घर सड़कों से नीचे हैं. बरसात का पानी उनके घरों में घुस जाता था, गंदी नाली कीचड़ों से उनका घर भर जाता था. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. इन मेसोपोटामिया in the every and each houses there was not found the wall. Well, I mean to say the कुआं नहीं मिला. पर इंडस वैली civilization in the Mohenjo-daro 700, more than 600 wells that was available in the every and each houses. On the basis of that, we can say that Indus Valley civilization, that was not colony of Mesopotamia, that was separate culture, separate civilization, which we had read. अब बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे भी हमने बात की, एक्सपेंशन पे हमने बात की. We had discussed the expansion. Expansion, as I draw this map, continents. If you have remember my class, if you will continuously watch my video, in my one video when I taught you the expansion of Indus Valley civilization, I drawn two maps, the Indian continent map and इंडियन मैप. भारतीय मैप को और इंडियन कॉन्टिनेंट मैप दोनों को मैंने ड्रॉ किया था. और सॉरी, एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. Sorry for disturbing, because as you know that now the season has changed and I am affected of that. मैं बहुत से परेशान हूँ. जो मौसम बदल रहे हैं, सीजन चेंज हो रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक एवरीवन affected, सभी लोग इससे affected होंगे. फिलहाल come to the point, expansion, where I discuss the expansion. I told you that from Afghanistan, Sor Tughui, and one other place, Sotkako, especially Sortugui. Why Sortugui famous? Because Sortugui one was the exceptional archaeological sites which belongs to Indus Valley civilization, where the evidence of canal that was found. Evidence of canal. That was the exceptional case from Sortugui in the expansion from Sortugui in Afghanistan to Daimabad in Maharashtra in India. From Alamgirpur, Uttar Pradesh to Sutka Gendor in the boundary of Pakistan and Iran. From Manda, Jammu Kashmir to Bhagat Rao in Maharashtra. एक बड़े क्षेत्र पे, according to your NCERT, 12,99,600 square kilometer area that was covered by this civilization. If you will minutely observe about the shape of this civilization, you will find that their shape was triangle. त्रिभुज क्या कर रहा? But we cannot fix that their shape that would be triangle. Why? Because it was depend on our information and knowledge. Because it was depend on excavation which was done by historians. Because it was depend on the places and the light of that places we can know the expansion of Indus Valley civilization. Then after, I think yesterday, in my yesterday class, we had discussed the administration. Administration, this area was very vast, that is very clear. The capital of this area was Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, twins capital of this whole civilization. According to some historians, that third capital also there was Kalibanga. That would be. Here one question arises, that who controlled this whole civilization? Ancient authority. Who was the ruler of this ancient authority? कौन होगा ancient authority? Who was ruler of this ancient civilization? Who would be the single authority who controlled this civilization? I hope you will remember, because I taught you in my previous class, studies class. Where I told you कि दो लोग, मैंने बात की आपसे, मैंने कहा था नॉट 1 2 3 4, मैंने 5 और 6 पॉइंट्स आपको दिए थे. मैंने कहा था कि someone believe that on the light of their religious importance, on the light of the excavation which found in the Mohenjo-daro, the Great Bath, and the stone statue, the priest king statue, John Marshall, Stuart Pickett, Sairin Ratnakar, these type of a lot of archaeologists and historians, they felt that the whole civilization controlled by priest. Some other historians like R.S. Sharma, what did they felt? They felt that this whole civilization based on trade and commerce. The role of traders, that was very important. They functions their own roles in society. Why? Because the importance of the traders in society, that was so much. They influence whole society. दैट्स वाई दे कंट्रोल होल सिविलाइजेशन. इन लोगों ने इस सभ्यता को कंट्रोल किया होगा. वणिक वर्ग आर द काउंसिल ऑफ ट्रेडर्स. दे वर द रूलर्स ऑफ दिस होल सिविलाइजेशन. According to R.S. Sharma. Mortimer Wheeler, they felt that the middle class people. This is third point, mind it. First point, the priest king. Second point, the council of traders or Vanik Varg. Third point, the middle class people. They attach with the religious community. मिडिल क्लास के लोग होंगे जो इन सभ्यता को कंट्रोल करते रहे होंगे. उनका धार्मिक वर्ग से बड़ा अंतर संबंध रहा होगा, बड़ा मजबूत स्तर रहा होगा, या धार्मिक वर्ग का प्रभाव रहा होगा उनके ऊपर. मॉर्टिमर व्हीलर. हंटर. अकॉर्डिंग टू हंटर, दैट इन द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, हैविंग सीन द लाइफ ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल, they enjoyed free life. There were no monarchical system. They were the democratic system. They elected their representative. वो अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को इलेक्ट करते रहे होंगे, चुनते होंगे. इस तरह की विचार दिया हंटर ने. One other things which I discuss with you, that the statement of Ernest Mackay. According to Ernest Mackay, the other points which is very important, Ernest Mackay statement, the hypothesis of Ernest Mackay. Ernest Mackay, they failed. What they failed? कि इस सभ्यता को, इस सिविलाइजेशन को, इस कल्चर को, I am not using the word culture, because when we discuss the religion, I will discuss with you that what is the meaning of culture and what is meaning of civilization. दोनों के बारे में हम उस पर बात करेंगे. Okay, my dear student, come to the point. This is a very important thing which you have to understand. What? According to Ernest Mackay, the Indus Valley civilization was ruled by the one representative that was appointed by their, I mean to say that country who ruled indirectly. What they want to indicate, वो कहते हैं वन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सिस्टम रहा होगा जो इन क्षेत्र पर शासन करते होंगे. ये वन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सिस्टम क्या है? व्हाट डू मीन बाय वन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सिस्टम? तो ये कहते हैं कि वन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सिस्टम दैट वाज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज the one representative system, because they felt कि ये जो शासक थे, ये मेसोपोटामिया के द्वारा कोई अपॉइंट किया हुआ गवर्नर रहा होगा जो इस क्षेत्र पर शासन करता रहा होगा. This is the very important things which you have to read. And one other point, the name of this civilization, which also name of this civilization. This point also which we have discussed. The last point, the name of this civilization, that was also discussed by me in your class. There were the different names of this civilization. The Indus Valley civilization, the Indus Saraswati civilization, the Harappa civilization, the Saraswati Valley civilization, I mean to Saraswati civilization, the Bronze Age civilization. I mean to say that there are four names: Bronze Age civilization, Harappa Valley civilization, Sindhu Saraswati civilization, I mean to say Indus and Saraswati civilization, and only Saraswati civilization. These were the names. These are the names which was given by the various historians on the basis of their excavation, their work. Why it called Harappan civilization? Because the first site excavated, the place of Harappa, this was the largest site of Indus Valley civilization. That's why this whole civilization called the Indus Valley civilization, Harappan Valley civilization. The second name, the Indus Valley civilization. Indus River, that was the very prominent river in this region. Most of the cities, most of the sites that was excavated on the bank of Indus Valley are their tributaries. So that's why this whole civilization called Indus Valley civilization. Deccan College, Pune is the most scholar person, V.N. Mishra sir. According to him, that the above 1900 sites that was excavated, the river bank of Saraswati. So that's why this civilization called Saraswati civilization. And on the basis of the metal used, which was used by the Indus Valley civilization, bronze is a very eminent metal. तो इस सभ्यता का नाम इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन रखा है, ब्रोंज सिविलाइजेशन रखा है। तो ये सारे तो यहाँ पे देखिए हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ लिया, हम लोगों ने एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देखा और हम लोगों ने डेटिंग्स पढ़ ली, हम लोगों ने नेम ऑफ द। अभी हमको क्या पढ़ना है, अभी हमको सोसाइटी, देन आफ्टर रिलीजन, देन आफ्टर स्क्रिप्ट, देन आफ्टर टाउन प्लानिंग, एंड देन आफ्टर इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, decline of this civilization, and the Cunningham confusion. We have to read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 टॉपिक्स। हमें अभी 8 टॉपिक और पढ़ने हैं इस चैप्टर में। We will read the whole topic day by day without any problem. I hope you are getting. तो आज के लिए इतना ही। Goodbye and take care.